everybody, it's your girl Candace. I'm coming to you today with another video. As you guys can see, I'm standing in my dining room, so I will be giving you guys a short tour of my dining room. It's not a huge space, but it is a nice, cute little dining room. I kind of decorate it for the season every year, so I'm probably going to start showing you guys how I decorate each season. So just stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and go ahead and click the bell so you guys can get notifications when I post another video. All right, guys, as you can see, here is a overview of what my dining room look like. I love this space. It's so nice, relaxing, and clean. So I love this space. We do use it on holidays normally when family come over. This is our extra table. I do have 2 tables. So this is the extra table, which makes so much room for family and friends. First thing I'm going to do is start off with this rug I have here. So this rug here, I got this from Amazon. I will link it below. I've had this rug for a few years. Before, when I first got this house, I was here for like maybe 2 years with no rug. I'm so happy I got this rug. It's not like a thick, high-powered rug. It's kind of thin and it's easy to clean. So I really, really enjoy this rug, and it does match throughout my whole house. So whatever space I decide to put this rug in, it looks really good here. So I really, really like this rug. I will link it below. Now, guys, another find that I got from Amazon are these nice white linen curtains. Like, when I say I love linen curtains, because they're so easy to throw in the wash and wash them, and they look so good. And I think they are 96 inches. And just a tip for you guys. You see how my curtains are up to the ceiling and then they're hitting the floor? Don't you see how that makes your room look so much taller and bigger when you have a small space? Always put your curtains to the ceilings, guys. It makes it look so good. All right, so here I found this little frame at Hobby Lobby, and I just threw this wreath here just to give it a little greenery. I'm gonna add some more stuff to it. I don't know what yet. I'll probably do like seasonal stuff. You see, I wanted to do a lot of greenery in this room because I didn't want it to look Eastery, but I still wanted it to look spring. I like Easter, but I don't like all the colors, the pastels and stuff. So I just wanted to do like a green kind of zen look. So here, this flower, I got that flower from Marshall's. I got this little mirror from Marshall's. I just put that there to give it a little texture or whatever in the room. And then these birds, the little cute little birdies, I got them from Marshall's. The stand that it's sitting on, that came from a flea market. A local flea market. I think it was maybe about 20 bucks. I haven't done anything to it. This is what it looks like. It's pretty cute. And then down here, this flower, I got that from Marshall's also. All right, so let's go around the corner here, guys, and see what we got over here. So this plant I have here in the corner came from that flea market that the table came from. The plant was only like 10 bucks. Trust me, it came from a flea market, so I shook it out. I made sure there were no bugs, nothing living in there. Yeah, I took everything out the bottom down here, made sure everything was good, put that thing in my car, and drove off. Because, you know, these things right here now, you look online, they cost like $99 for a tree. Are you serious? It's plastic. Anyway, now up on the wall here, guys, this mirror. When I say I love this mirror, it's so cute. Like, it really brought the space together because this wall was plain for so long. I kept throwing little stuff up there. Nothing worked, but this right here, it works. And I want to say shout out to my cousin slash friend Tabitha, because she gave me a Home Goods gift card. And anybody who knows me knows that I love Home Goods. So if you decide to buy me anything, guys, Home Goods is the spot to go. So she got me a Home Goods gift card, and this is what I purchased. So Tab, this is what your purchase got me. Thank you, girl. I appreciate you. Now let's move on around. Right here, I just have like a little plant stand. I think I'm gonna hang this plant up and then put another tree over there. But this is a plant. I've had this plant since it was like 1 leaf. I've never ever grown a plant, guys. But she plush. I ain't never grown no plant, but she looking good. Cause normally I'm like, ooh, I'm a plant's death, honey. But I've been doing good. I've been doing really, really good. Now up here, guys, I also have a picture I'm not going to say a picture, a frame with the words blessed in it. I love these little sayings. I got this from Kirkland's. Kirkland's have the nicest, cute little sayings. I love that. I also think I paid about $16.99 for it, which is a good deal. Another one here on the other wall. This is the opposite wall adjacent to that wall, and it says family here. So when you walk in, you can see that. I think that's really cute also. And then down below is pretty much a little vase I just found from Roses. I think it was a place called Roses. It was another color. It was like pink or something. It was in my bedroom. I spray painted it this silver color, and I brought it downstairs, and I put these picks on it. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this here, but I just wanted to fill this corner up, guys. All right, now let's get to the table. First off, before I even talk about what's on the table, I love my table. I like the texture, I like the color, I like the legs. I think it's so pretty and it's so elegant. You can kind of make it rustic, you can make it farmhouse, you can do classical. You can pretty much do anything you would like with this table. They do sell it at Rooms To Go. However, I didn't get this one from Rooms To Go. I got this one from a place called Haverty's. So I think there's a chain of Haverty's around. So guys, check your local Haverty's or check Rooms To Go because they do have this table. It is really nice, really versatile. We do use this table, like I said, every year for the holidays, normally pre-COVID. And we enjoy sitting here and the family loves it. It also has a leaf that you can put in there to make the table bigger. So we can put, 2 more chairs in if we need to. All right, guys, this is how I decorate my table for the seasons. I think it looks really cute. I think it's really pretty. I love it. And just this view right here is just so relaxing to me when I walk by. It's springy, but it's not bunnies hopping across the table springy. You know what I mean? I think I really like it. I like the colors, the greens and the blues. It kind of makes you feel calm and zen. Don't you guys like that? Cute, cute, cute. Now, the centerpiece, guys. This mirrored riser is what I call it. It's a really cute riser. I got it from Dollar General, which is crazy. It was a steal. I walked in there to get some soda or something, and I was like, what's that? That matches my table. Let me see if I can grab, and that's what I did. I grabbed it up. $7.99. And then this vase here, guys. This vase, I got it from Marshall's. Thank you again, Tab, for the gift card. I got that from Marshall's also, along with the gift card. It's clear. It's really pretty. It looks kind of glamorous in a way, so I really, really like that. And then here, these flowers, I got these from Marshall's, and I got some from Hobby Lobby. So I really think these are cute, and I think it makes the table look so pretty, and it gives it a great statement. Don't you guys think? Yeah, it's really nice. All right, so let's move along to my table place setting. All right, so here, this little green thing is pretty much a place setting table thingy. So I just took that. Let me just show you what it looks like. That's the little place setting. I took and put my green charger there, which I got that green charger from Kirkland's. They still possibly could be there. The blue table mat actually comes from Home Goods. Thanks again, Tab. Same haul. Thank you, Tab. I got that from Home Goods, and it was also probably about $6.99 for 8 of those. And then with the green and blue plaid charger, they were pretty much on sale. So I think they were probably like $22 for all 6 of them. So I got a thing of 6. And then the clear charger here, I got those from Hobby Lobby right after the Christmas season, and they were pretty much cheap. I think they were probably like $3 a piece, so that worked out well. And then the napkins, I know these are still at Kirkland's. They have a plaid type too, but since I had the plaid charger, I said, let's just go with the stripes. And then they also have these napkin rings. So that is how I put my tablescape together. I don't do anything really serious. I just make it really simple, guys. I just want it to look nice and simple and clean. That is my kind of lifestyle. I don't like a lot of stuff. I just like it to look simple. So again, here's an overall view. An overall view, and this is from when I walk into the house, from the front door, guys. Overall, nice little cute little view. And remember, make sure those curtains are up high. It looks so cute that way. Look at them. Ain't nothing wrong with them hanging to the ground. That's what you got a washing machine for. All right, guys, so that's an overview of my dining room. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and we will see you guys on the next video. You guys have a good one, and stay blessed.